I'm Shakona from Bossed Up Hair, and I am very excited today because I have connected with a vendor that is going to blow my business out the water. The vendor is located here in California, locally in the city of Walnut, and the people here is absolutely fantastic. From making sure that you understand the hair quality that you're getting, they're so soft. The hair is just amazing. I am so excited for the venture of my business and where this hair is going to take my business because it is absolutely amazing. The prices is really great when you're looking to start up a business. This definitely I will recommend as the place to go. I did my homework and I really followed this company for a long time and checking out the hair because they do have hair samples that you can order ahead of time. You can try the hair, you can bleach it, you can color it. The hair is absolutely fantastic. I'm excited with the just the from the customer service here. The customer service is great. When you walk in here in the city of Walnut at the office, they always have what you need, and if they don't, they make sure they let you know ahead of time so you can be prepared of what's to come. And they are patient, so they really, make sure that you like what you're getting and what you're purchasing. So if it's something you don't like, they take out the time to say, let's see what we have. Let me accommodate you in any kind of way. So that I really liked, just being patient. The patient was everything. It was the patience for me. So I'm really happy. I can't wait to sell out my hair so I can come back because purchasing hair for a girl, this is like the ultimate exciting experience. So thank you so much, TedHair, for allowing us to now be new partners. I really look forward to our future.